house when your screwdriver thing gets stuck inside though. You see, we're gonna put on a roof on the house.
Put one side of the roof on now for the second one. As you can see, we already have a hole for the birds to come in. We took off the little thing for them to stand on, this thing, because it was probably going to get ruined. Had it on
We're stapling,
staples. Pause it.
putting the bottom of the floor.
We're going to put grass inside, so it's comfortable, because why not?
We are stapling it more so it will be secure. Sanding it down for us to not get blisters while we are gonna put it on our own tree.
And make it, paint it first.
And as you see right here, we are putting it there because if the bird wants to just stand somewhere, they can just stand.
We're also going to put grass on the bottom, as Garrett said. And we're going to put some flowers around the entrance maybe, and make a little play area inside.
Okay, we have to make a bottom too, which we will.
Soon enough to do.
Ah, little boo boo.
So we're just cutting the nails so the birds don't get hurt. And we're probably going to put something like clay over it. So, or just hammer it in.
We are hitting it inside so they won't be hurt. Sanding it a little bit more. Piece of wood so it'll help us sand the house down more.
We're putting the sanding paper on the piece of wood. Like that we have like a surface to push on. Well, not including the bird.
Today are now gonna put window glazer, as you see, glazing.
And why are we doing that?
Because we do not have.
We do not want the water to get in.
We do not have any wood filler, so we need to fill in the holes.
And we're also doing this because we don't want the water to seep in through the...
If the water gets in there,
It's just not going to be good.
it's just going to age too fast.
And then there will be no more birdhouse.
In a matter of no time.
This is like slime. we're working on the roof.
Not all cracks.
Well, no cracks.
No, you're cracked. Okay, how are we doing, Matisse?
You're doing good.
Why?
This is how we are right now on the sides. I was doing.
So since we didn't fill all the cracks yet, we're just gonna continue.
You could also use silicone, but since we have that here, it's just gonna work that good.
And since we have all the time we need, well, we're stuck at home for a few more months.
We're done putting in the wood filler, so we're just gonna have to wait and see when it's dried. Once it's dried, then we'll just sand it down, prime and paint, and we'll show you the finish. No, it needs to be smooth. Good morning, guys. That's it. The wood filler is dry, so we sanded it down yesterday, and now we're ready to prime it. So we're gonna have our helpers here doing the primer. She's about to start it, so we're gonna prime it first, and then we'll figure out a final coat. We don't know yet. Kids are fighting over it. So let's prime it. This is today's project, priming and painting, and this project should be done by the end of the day. We'll see you later. Primer is now dry. Putting on the final coat. Blue on the top, and there'll be green at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
You can do your own.